Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this video after a while, and hopefully the volume is coming back. The market is gonna be busy now from now on, second week of August, and the smart money is coming back, so I'll be making more and more videos. This one I'm making about Cardian, this pattern that I was able to locate and made the chart and then send out to my subscribers yesterday. Actually today, on the 15th. Okay, today is still 15th. So earlier last night I made this chart and I sent out that this is like a harmonic pattern, possible girdle, and my specialty is to trade leg C to D if we go there, and then once we get there, then you have an opportunity for a reaction from the point D as well to go up, right? So here 23.6% my favorite line, and this is the chart that I said, and I also made a note here that we'll take entry from 20-minute chart. This is, by the way, 40-minute chart that my special candles here. So now with the 20-minute chart, what happened to this so far today is still right here. Okay, I just recorded the chart a little while ago, and came out right from there, nice and clean, right? Perfect setup, right, on a 40-minute chart. Now what happened on the 20-minute chart, what I did, you can see here how accurate it is, that the blue candles, and when it was there, this is the monthly pivot as well, and a few other things, and once we get there, as soon as it start making the red candle, a reversal candle and a red candle, and indicators all the way up, like I said, that I will take an entry from 20-minute chart. Here's the entry, here's the stop loss, all the way down, so far 100 pips. This is how easy it is, and you can do this on a daily basis if you learn the system and pay attention to the charts. 100 pips, that means one standard lot, that's $1,000. Two standard lot, that's $2,000. So if you have the money, if you have an account, and if you learn the system, $1,000 a day, even with one standard lot, serious amount of money, right? Yeah. So, but you have to learn the system. If you don't have a system, and if you trade, the $1,000 will be negative. Okay, that's the beauty of this business. If you learn, it's very lucrative. If you don't learn, then it becomes very dangerous. So this is I just wanted to show you that this is how this system works. How another thing that I want to show is that my analysis, for example, this is the chart. Others, a few other weekly analysis in the charts that which I make and give to my subscribers. To take the entries from the 20-minute chart. For example, pound yen, I made 5th August, and I said, from here we're going to be dropping down here, and the target is 140. This white line, this is a monthly number. This is called, MH means monthly high. Okay, very important number. It was acted here. So I said, we're dropping, and we're going to drop here. The channel TL and 140, and look what happened to this chart. As of today, on the 15th, we hit the target all the way straight down, right? So it's a lot of, for 600 pip. And you can do, take entries from 20-minute chart, every day. You can, rinse, repeat, and then few other charts. For example, my analysis that euro, I'm not going to show too many charts, but, individual index, if I tell you that, okay, euro is going to drop from here to here, means euro index is going to drop. That means that euro will get weaker as an individual currency. Euro will get weaker. Now, if euro gets weaker, wherever the euro is on the right hand side, all those pairs will be dropping, will be going down. For example, euro USD, euro Aussie, euro CAD, euro pound, euro yen, euro anything. Right, euro is on the left hand side, that pair will go down. So basically, watching these index charts, that gives it's so powerful that if you are right, you literally have like a pick and choose condition or situation, in front of you, which trade you want to take, which one is going faster to the downside. If euro is getting weaker, you have to see which currency is getting stronger. If I show you something that you will be surprised. Let me here, CAD index. I made this chart June 22nd June that we're gonna be bouncing from here and then going to the upside, right? CAD will get strong. Look what happened to this chart as of today. Where is that? Nope. Right here, 15th August is there, where I said 54.78 all the way from here straight up this way, right? So CAD was keep getting strong and euro was keep getting weaker. What do you think that's gonna happen to euro CAD? It will crush, right? It will go down badly. Let me show you the euro CAD chart that I had, and I gave it to my subscriber. I'm not gonna go too far. I forgot to open early, but no big deal. Look at this chart. I had it from all the way from the top, by the way, right? But I'm just showing from here. Look what happened as of today. This chart. Let me just quickly go to euro CAD, and I'll show you what happened to that chart, and you will be, it's like hundreds of pips in a straight line. There you can, and every daily basis you can just rinse, repeat, and take new trade, because the market moves on a daily basis and then it retraces. Okay, so oh, come on, what happened here? Let me see. Okay, it just opened up. Weekly chart, EuroCAD. Look, right from there all the way down, coming down here. My chart was, first chart was what? Let me see. It is. It was 1.5408. So 1.54, right? And where is it now? Why it is going slow? Just don't freeze on me. Okay, 54, and now it is at 1.49. So that's 500 pip from here to there, straight down. Okay, just knowing that euro was getting weaker and CAD was getting strong. Similarly, CAD was getting strong, so yen was getting weaker. So I was like long, but I saw the opportunity that CAD yen is gonna drop, so I did. And yeah, I just showed you the chart, how this is the trade today, based on, again, small harmonic pattern on a 40-minute chart. This was the chart I made, I sent out, and yesterday, I mean it was today, and then this is what happened so far. And I took the entry from the 20-minute chart, as I said, and here is the 100 pip. So my analysis right on the dot, and this system, it gives you very good entries. This was a long entry, you can see it, right? And this was another entry, short entry. It started to come here, but I'm already in the trade. This was a short entry, this was a short entry, this was a short entry. You can see all of those whenever the indicator is all the way at the top, and the price is like retracing, and then color changes, and then indicators all the way in the bottom. Red candle changes into blue, long. That's how it is. So if you see that if it is worth it for you, and if you're struggling, I invite you to come and then join my group and start learning, and start trading like this. Okay, I have students who are making more than 500, 400, 500 every week. So go on my website, myforestmagicwave.com, and subscribe and start trading like this. Okay, this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.